Hello, how's it going, guys? Today I wanted to do a little first impressions unboxing and eye look with the new Butter London Teddy Girl palette. If you guys want to check out this palette and see the look that I create with it, well then just keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica and I make videos about fashion, travel, beauty, and lifestyle, but on a budget. And today I'm going to be checking out this new palette that Butter London recently sent me. It looks so beautiful, and so like all the colors are just right up my alley. We would do a little unboxing and I'm going to do a little demo and sort of play around with it, create a fun eye look for you. Before we get started, I just want to ask you all that if you haven't already, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I have amazing content coming your way and I'm so excited to be here on YouTube. My channel has been growing so much and I'm just so grateful for that. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the bell so that you're notified every time that I put up a new upload. So you are the first person to see it. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and leave me a comment down below. Say hi, let me know what you thought about this look or about the palette. I would love to talk to you guys down there. It really makes my day and I love reading each and every one of your comments. So please make sure to leave me a note down there. Let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm going to open up this little box. Here's what it has inside, this little press box telling you all about this palette, combining the defiant edge of Butter London and the rebellious decadence of Britain's Teddy Girls. Meet the Teddy Girl eyeshadow palette. This fun, highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette revives the 1950s to pay homage to the alluring, sharply suited Teddy Girls and their rebellious spirit. It tells you each shade name, sort of gives you a description of it. Some of them are matte, some of them are metallic duochromes, some are metallic shimmers. Let's get into this. It's a little different. Here is the front of the palette and it sort of opens up like so. The color range that we got going on here, these colors are right up my alley. I love like pinky, nude, warm type colors. So this is gonna be my jam. Our three mattes are kind of diagonal, duochromes going on, and the metallic shimmers. This is gonna be so freaking fun to play with. Looking good, darling. Cute little mirror over here. I think this is gonna be maybe a really good travel palette because it's so compact. So I've already done my face. I'll also put the link to the Butter London palette down below as well if you guys want to check it out. Started with this eyeshadow look, shall we? Get started. I am going to prime my lids with my NYX eyeshadow base, sort of like nude colored one. Get started here. I am going to use Matilda as transition color. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this into the crease. Wow. If you guys can see, like it's very pigmented. I'm just going to kind of blend that out. Wow. I might want to build it up a little bit more. I feel like going for a little bit of an extra look with this today. Just kind of swatch some of these just to like get a feel for how they're gonna look. Lucille. Pretty. It's this one right here. The other one I kind of want to know about is Ella. Wow. Like a duochrome type color you can see right there. That is so pretty. And then Iris, that's so pretty too, is that one right there. I am going to do is go in with Ella because I really love this color. I'd use my finger because a lot of times with really glittery colors like this, I just feel more comfortable using my finger. I'm just gonna put this on my lid. Take a little bit of iris, pinky, sort of like tap it on like the middle of my eye just to give like a little bit more of a pop. Next, I'm going to go in with Beatrice, sort of wine or plum colored matte. I'm going to my outer corner. This is a random brush that I got from like an Ipsy bag a long time ago, and it is Glamour Dolls 10, whatever that means. Don't you guys love my commitment to like really knowing my brushes? I'm just gonna put this in the outer corner. Just concentrate it right there and slowly work it outward from that corner. That is so pretty. These colors are just super, super stunning. Build that color up. Cool. Next, I want to find like a super fluffy brush. This is a Real Techniques multitasking eye brush. I think I'm going to take a little bit of iris, blend that up past like on my brow bone and sort of upwards. Blend out that transition shade, sort of like sweep that upwards. Finish this off, I'm gonna take this other one of my random brushes, kind of flat tipped, go in with Poppy, put this on right underneath my brows, in the inner corners. I like to put a really light color on the inner corners because I feel like it helps open my eyes up and brighten them so much. I like blend that a little bit. Just for a good measure, I'm gonna go ahead and pop a little bit more of iris on my lid just to like make it pop. So my first eye is finished. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second eye and I'll be right back with you all. So here is the finished eye look. What do you guys think? To finish everything off, just want to keep it a little bit more natural on the lips. To use my new obsession, which is the Vice Lasting Glassy Tint. This stuff, it's just like the perfect color for me, naturally. But I guess it's supposed to adjust to whatever your skin's undertone is, so maybe that's why I'm obsessed with it. There we have it. So this is my completed look with my little teddy girl palette. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Of course, everything that you saw me use here in this little video will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out if you are curious about any of these products. If this video was as fun for you as it was for me, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you can join my little community here on YouTube. I would be so happy to have you here. Thank you again for watching. Until next time,